Hi guys, okay, today we're going to make a bodysuit. I made it myself. I have a couple of different versions, so I will make different versions and post different versions. This one is actually the one with ruffles. And I tried two techniques. One YouTube taught me, did not like it. And one I taught myself. So yeah, I will only show this technique because, come on, sad, happy, easy. So I am going to show you how to make it. There are options on the bottom I will show you. So you can use those clicky thingies, but you don't need them. You can also sew them together, just simply stitch it. It's probably easier. Anyways, I will show you how to make it. Oh, and the pattern is a beige pattern, so I'm not going to show any of the patterns. I'm not going to show anything about the pattern, simply because I'm a bit afraid someone will trace it and I paid for it, so I don't want it. But I will post a link in my blog and you can follow me on my blog. And sorry, my mom came in, but you can follow me on my blog. I will put the pattern on there, where I got the fabric, where I got the lace, just everything. And I also made this scrunchie myself. It's an XXL scrunchie. I will put the pattern on there in a few days, I think Friday. So yeah, follow me for more and here we go. So I was told if you use Posca that it will be better than the black marker, but that was one big mess. And this is just a small piece. But it leaked everywhere and it's all over my hand and nails too, so yeah. I'm going back to my trusty marker. It's not a sewing supply thing, but it just works for me. Because right now I can show you where I have to be, what kind of side you have to sew and everything. It's for you clear, it's for me clear, it's for everybody clear. You will just see the inside of the marker on the inside of the clothing, but it's just for myself, so I'm fine with it. Okay, so I think the best way to describe what I'm going to do is by actually showing it. So we're going to sew together the shoulders. We have to have the nice side inside out. So the nice side, the printed side, whatever, is on the inside. So not what I'm showing you here. Okay, if you did the shoulders, we're going to sew this part together, the sides. On this side and on this side, both shoulders, both sides. And I will be back when I do that. Okay, so we're going to turn it inside out. And right now we have most of the body actually done. I did try something new. I will show the actual pattern in my blog. But I do two front pieces that I have a lower back and a lower front. No idea if it works, but we will see. Anyways, now we have the right sides out. So we will see the right sides and we're going to pin this part. Like this is the side and we're going to pin the good side to the inside. You see? And we're going to sew this all together over the entire neckline. We're going to do the same with the leg holes. And I will be back after. You gotta sew the edges of the armholes just like you did with the leg holes and neckline. Okay, so this looks a bit intimidating, but it really is not. I will show you in slow-mo any moment. And I'm going to show you in slow-mo right now. As you can see, I'm pinning the lace and just folding it double and then stitching over it with a simple straight stitch. Here you go. I'm pinning the lace, just folding it double and stitching over it. It's really that simple and that easy. Okay, so I gotta admit, I totally forgot to make an end video. I made the first part in the beginning with this bodysuit, but I forgot to make an end video. So I'm just copying the first part, and here you go. This is the end result. As you can see, it wasn't hard to make, it's just a few extra steps.